It's very important we understand the database logical architecture, especially when we do modeling and application development. Let's look at the logical architecture of the Azure Cosmos DB. Once we log on to our Cloud Azure account, we will see databases. Within a database, we have containers. Within a container, we have items and other database objects such as stored procedures and functions. Databases are implemented as API-specific components. By the way, API stands for Application Program Interface. For example, with the SQL API, MongoDB API, and Greenland API, we have a database. But with Cassandra API, we have the key space. With the Table API, we don't have a database. Within a container, we have items. Also, items are implemented as API-specific components. For example, with the SQL API and the MongoDB API, we have collections. With the Cassandra API and the Table API, we have tables. With the Greenland API, we have graphs. By the way, Greenland is used for the graph processing. Within a container, we have items. Items are implemented as API-specific components as well. Here are some examples. With the SQL API and the MongoDB API, we have documents. With the Cassandra API, we have rows. With the Greenland API, we have nodes and or edges. With the Table API, we have items. This is a very precise but clear introduction to the Azure Cosmos DB logical architecture. This concludes our introduction.